Maya Paldo Kabalen, Maya Paldo Pampanga, ako po si JM De Jesus at nagbabalik. Matagal tayo nagpahinga dito sa ating podcast. Pero syempre, hindi natin nahayaan na hindi natin makakausap, makakapanayam ang ating reigning Mutyaning Kapampangan 2025. Palakpakan naman natin, Miss Allison Hetland. Ayan, Allison, bibigyan na kita ng chance na pasalamatan lahat ng sumuporta, lahat ng, kumbaga, hindi ka iniwan nung kompetisyon last December.
Well, first and foremost, good morning. Good morning, sir. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for having me. At maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin during my MNK journey. I love all of you and forever grateful.
Kumusta yung ano? Kasi alam ko na koronahan ka second week of December.
Yes.
Tapos
December
ito na,
10.
more than a month ka nang nag-reign. Kumusta
Yes.
naman so far?
It's been so good. So good. Minsan, hindi pa din ako makapaniwala na parang shocks, nakuha ko nga yung MNK crown. Kasi, I'm friends with Joanne Thornley and Jenica Cruz. Sila yung nag-represent ng Angeles for parang yung the last 2 years. So, parang 2 years ago, nagwa-watch lang ako ng Mutyaning Kapampangan hanggang sa I got to walk the stage and ultimately bring home the crown. So it's very, nakakataba po ng puso, syempre.
So 2 times kasing sumali si Allison sa Mutyaning Angeles.
Yes.
So ano yung kumbaga pinagkaiba nung pagbabalik mo nung second time sa Mutyaning Angeles? Ano yung kumbaga binago mo sa formula mo?
So the first time, actually first pageant ko yung Mutyaning Angeles. The first time was 2022. 2022, chubby pa ako noon. Wala pa ako.
Seryoso ba?
Yes.
Hindi halata. Parang ako
Parang
sabi ngayon.
bubot. Wala pa akong alam talaga. I was very young as well. Tapos, unplaced ako doon, Mutyaning Angeles 2022. So, I feel like, actually, pinilit lang din ako ng mother ko noon. And when I was unplaced, I feel like that fed the fuel in me na parang, I need to redeem myself. But having that thought in mind, I was like, I need to rest for a year. Fix myself, improve.
Kasi bata ka pa nun eh.
Opo, improve parts that I need to improve. So, ayun, I tried to lose as much weight as I can in a healthy way. Also, keep myself updated sa current events. Holistic approach lang siya sa lahat.
Kasi pag sinabing beauty pageant, hindi lang basta't maganda ka eh.
Yes,
Like you need to prepare
totoo.
yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally. Hindi ka
Yes.
pwedeng sumali sa pageant na hindi ka handa doon sa isang bagay na yun.
That's so
diba?
true. That's so true.
So
Kaya-
when you won MNA nung second time,
Aha.
parang okay, parang na-redeem ko yung sarili ko. Like, ano naramdaman mo nun?
Ayun, parang Cloud9 talaga. Cloud9 talaga siya. But, I was also, nakuha ko din yung support ng Angelenos, syempre. At, it was overall, talagang, kasi syempre first win ko yon, sir. First win ko yon ever. And I also understand the responsibilities that comes with it. So, ayun, parang inano ko din siya. I was very careful then with like what I would do. Syempre ngayon, Mutyaning Angeles ka na. You have eyes looking at you, so you have to be cautious then. That's one thing with beauty pageants.
Kasi pag nakoronahan ka ng Mutyaning Angeles, meron kang technically 1 taon to prepare for MNK.
Yes,
Kasi alam ko
1 whole
nakokoronahan ng Queens ng Angeles December.
Yes, so para siyang naglalaro, sir, ng last week of November to first week of December. Para siyang ganun.
Tapos meron kang 1 year to prepare.
Yes,
So
1
ano
year to
naman
prepare.
yung kumbaga ginawa mong preparation for MNK? Kasi hindi na lang mga Angelenyas ang makakalaban mo dito eh. So makakalaban mo kumbaga yung pinakamaganda sa bawat munisipalidad, sa bawat syudad
Yes.
ng Pampanga. How
The
did you
best of
prepare
the
for
best
that?
sila na,
Yes.
sir. So, since I had a year to prepare,
Ang haba ng 1 taon na.
oo. So, 'di ba, 1 year 'yon. I actually had schedules for my pasarela trainings, my I also had styling and makeup
Trainings.
trainings. Tapos, syempre, ang body, kailangan, ano pa din, di
Plakado.
ba? Yes. Pero yun, dun lang siya umikot. And Q&A, of course. And at the same time, I was also feeding my soul
Yeah.
then, spiritually. I feel like yun talaga yung difference that I had then from my first pageant till the succeeding pageants now. I learned to grow in my faith and, trust in the Lord that may plan siya sa lahat.
So, fast forward tayo dun sa orientation ng MNK. Last, if I can remember, alam ko, November ba yon or earlier?
Parang
October.
I can't remember.
Yeah.
Don't quote me on this.
Pero ano yung na-feel mo nung first time mong makita yung mga girls nasasali for Mutiani Kapampangan 2025? Kasi yun yung first time na magkakasama kayo.
Yes. So I was very excited, of course. May excitement siya na finally I'll meet the girls, I'll see how they look like in person and see how they are then, how they speak to everyone. And I remember kasi I already knew Izzy from Lubao. And Sasmuan, si Abel. Because I competed with her before. And kami ni Izzy, syempre we knew each other na. So we were like, oy sis, dito pala kita makikita ulit. Ganon. But overall, it was nice seeing everyone. And I knew that the journey would be an amazing one because of the girls as well. The camaraderie was nice.
Kasi pag sumali ka ng Mutianing Kapampangan, hindi lang siya basta competition kasi you were able to, kumbaga, have yung sisterly relationship dun sa mga girls eh.
Yes.
Meron pa silang tradition, if hindi nyo alam, yung the night before the pageant ba yun? Yung meron kayong parang pagsasalo-salo.
Yes, so may budol fight kami
Yes.
nun. Imagine the day before ng coronation, may budol fight. So talagang super eat ang mga girls. But we ate with the org as well and the staff. So it was a whole, lahat kami kumain, sama-sama.
So masasabi ba natin na meron kang newfound sisters dun
Oo
sa competition?
naman. I feel like that's the beauty then with pageants. Kahit yung pageant natatapos siya, pero yung connections that you build, they're for a lifetime. So, actually, kahit ano man yung outcome sa pageant, win or lose, parang win pa din siya. Because you don't leave the pageant losing something.
Yeah.
Instead, you gain something from it as well.
So, sa mismong araw ng competition, syempre, umaga pa lang pagod na kayo eh. Like,
True.
rehearsals
Totoo
and
yan.
all. Kasi, alam nyo naman, ang CLTV for the past several years, nakikita namin yung mga behind the scenes sa Mutiani Kapampangan. So, umaga pa lang yung mga girls talagang nagre-rehearse na sila. Hindi po sila nagbo-beauty rest Dun sa mismong araw, nagre-rehearsal sila.
Yes.
Tapos, ang break lang nila, lunch.
Yes.
Tapos afternoon, rehearsals ulit. Tapos magpe-prepare na sila for the competition.
Yes.
Anong ginawa mo nun? Kasi dapat matibay yung core mo eh. Mapapagod ka bago mag-start. Paano mo ginawa
Very
yun?
important doon is sleep. The night before. You have to have a complete 8 hours of sleep. Kasi yun yung magiging fuel mo talaga eh. Yun yung fuel mo kasi kung kompleto ang sleep mo, kahit anong pagod ang anuhin sa'yo,
Kaya mo.
mag-coffee ka lang, carry mo na eh. Pero yun, I had 8 hours of sleep the night before. And then the morning, nung hinatid ako ng mommy ko, sabi ko, ma, pag-pray mo ako. Ayun, actually bumaba na ako ng kotse noon. Inaano ko na yung trolley ko. Bumalik ako ng car. Sabi ko, ma, di tayo nag-pray.
Okay.
Kasi nung Mutianing Angeles, we did the same thing. We prayed. Before I went down the car, nag-pray kami. And she prayed for the whole, hindi lang for me.
Yeah.
The whole, lahat ng girls, the org, the judges, even yung mga nanonood.
Yes.
Ayun, parang the entirety of it. But aside from sleep,
Yeah.
you also, syempre, aasikasuhin mo pa yung Q&A mo. So it's like, ako ang ginawa ko nun is habang mini-makeupan ako, naka-AirPods ako, I'm listening to worship songs.
Okay.
And then I'm reading then.
Okay.
Kasi syempre, yun yung training Yun yung training pag for Q&A. You write questions, sample questions,
Yeah.
and then you write your
You try to
answers.
answer it.
Yeah.
Kasi ang nangyayari din ngayon, kailangan aware ka din eh. Hindi lang pwedeng magaling kang sumagot dun sa mga generic pageant questions.
Yes.
Like, you need to know what's happening dito sa, kumbaga, sa Pilipinas,
Yes, that's true.
international, ganyan. Kasi minsan matatanong yun eh.
Oo.
So, nung top 10, last kang tinawag.
yes.
Like, anong nasa isip mo nun? Kasi, syempre, 9, natawag na, isa na lang. Meron pa mga malalakas na hindi pa natatawag nung oras na yon.
My God.
Ano tumatakbo sa isip mo nun?
So, at that time, kasi, di ba top 10 na?
Yeah.
Top 9, tapos nag-commercial break.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, Lord.
Binitin pa nila.
Yes. Sabi ko, Lord. Although this is my prayer na before the start of the competition. Sabi ko, Lord, give me the heart to accept whatever the outcome would
Yeah.
be tonight. So, ayun, nung top 9 na, isang pangalan na lang. Sabi ko, okay lang po. Okay lang po. Kahit ano. I know that if this is not for me, there will be something better for
Yeah.
me. So, ayun. Pero nung tinawag, syempre, super saya talaga. And tumingin ako agad kala mommy.
Yeah.
Kasi I could see them from where I'm at. Ayun, nakita ko, tumatalon-talon naman sila. And
Kasi
then
nandun
yun.
kami nung gabing yon. And sabi mo kanina, wala kayo masyadong hakot ng audience.
Oo, wala.
Pero nung tinawag ka na pang huli sa top 10, parang kulang na lang mawasak yung Brenzigaw. So imagine, nung gabing yon, many people were rooting for you nung gabing yon. Kasi number 1 ang tangkad mo. Ano kasing height mo?
I'm 6 flat po.
Without
my
heels.
heels.
So ngayon, kanina magkatabi po kami, mukha akong grade school. I'm 5'9" ah. So, nung top 10, kasi mag-Q&A na kayo lahat eh. Ano yung question mo kasi nung gabing yon?
My question was, hala, sir.
Isa lang ba? Isa lang
Oo,
ba ang
ano
question sa
kasi?
lahat? Or iba-iba?
Hindi, iba. Nung top 10, iba-iba
Oo.
kami ng questions, sir.
Tapos nag-top 5.
Yung top 5, isa
Isa
yung
lang.
question. Parang, yung top 5 is, parang what is one thing about the Kapampangas that you're most grateful for? Parang ganon, in the same line. I can't remember yung sa
question
top 10
kasi
ko.
yung adrenaline mo nung gabing
Oo,
yun eh, no?
hindi mo
Pero
siya
nung
talaga.
before ka pa pumasok ng Q&A, kasi top 10 ganyan, meron ka bang ginawa, like kumain ka ba ng
Wala.
chocolate bar or anything?
Nung top 10, sir, syempre nasa stage kaming
Hindi
lahat.
ka na nakakalas.
Oo, nasa stage kaming lahat ng top 10. And last ako sasagot. So, I was trying to answer their
Yeah.
questions as well.
Nag-warm up ka na eh,
Oo.
no?
Parang, okay, let's see kung ano ba. Tapos, ayun, top 10, tapos na. Nag-top 5. Nung top 5, nasa isolation room kami,
Yes,
sir.
nasa likod.
Oo. And
Pang ilang ka tinawag sa top 5?
last din po ako sa top 5.
Okay. Okay. Pero
True.
unang-una siya dun sa pagpapakilala, pero huli kang tinatawag
Oo,
eh, no?
sir. Yun pa. I'll get to that later. Pero yung top 5, we got to the isolation room and iba-ibang music yung nagbablast na malakas
Kasi
para
hindi
hindi
mo
namin
marinig.
marinig. And yung emotions ko nun, taas-baba. May times na gusto kong sumayaw.
Oo.
May times na nakapikit lang ako, nagpe-pray lang ako. I wasn't practicing na po ng, let's say, kung may question.
Yeah.
Hindi ko na inaano sa mind ko kasi I noticed sa sarili ko na parang mas na may mental block ako pag ganun.
Pag parang overly
Yes.
prepared yung utak mo.
Oo.
Kasi ako din personally, pag meron akong, magla-live kami or may newscast, mas gusto ko na okay na yung cleared na yung
Yes,
mind ko. Kasi
oo.
kesa dun sa mag-overthink ka ba na kung ano-ano,
True.
diba?
Opo.
Eto na, top 5, tinatawag na 4th runner-up, 3rd runner-up, 2nd runner-up. Dalawa na lang kayo ng beshi mo.
Yes.
Si Miss Lubao.
Yes,
Na
I see.
magkahawakan ng
Oo.
kamay. Pero baka meron ka bang binulong sa kanya or nag-usap ba kayo noon?
Nung, di ba po, dalawa na lang kami. Wala kaming sinabi sa isa't isa.
Oo.
Pero when we were holding hands, we were parang shaking our
Yes.
hands konti. Tapos nung tinawag na ako, doon na kami nag-usap na parang, she told me, I'm so proud of you. Sabi niya ganyan. Sabi niya, happy ko. Sabi niya. Tapos yun po, sabi ko, I love you. Sabi ko ganyan.
Kasi ka na ring Lubao, hello.
True.
Di ba? May karugan ka rin talaga kayo eh. So after nun, syempre napatungan ka na ng corona. Ano yung unang-una mong kinain right after the competition? Kasi lagi ko tinatanong to sa mga beauty queens eh. Like lagi silang nag-chicken joy, ganyan. Pero ikaw, anong unang-una mong kinain?
Kami po, nag-crabs and crack kami with extra rice.
Kasi, hindi naman nila ginutom yung sarili nila. Kumbaga, naging mas disciplined lang sila sa
Yes.
pagkain noon. Siyempre, nire-restrain mo yung sarili mong kumain ng sobra-sobrang rice.
Yes. Number 1 yun, ang rice, carbs,
Sweets.
sweets as
Hindi
well.
ka rin nag-sweets.
Hindi masyado at that time. Hindi masyado. Pero ang nahirapan akong iwasan talaga was coffee. Kasi yung nagko-coffee ako pero I try to go for black coffee. Tapos
Pero nag-black coffee ka ba before?
hindi. Hindi.
So, kailangan
Dahil lang sa
mag-adjust.
diet.
Yes. So, kinabukasan, syempre, eto na, pagising mo, nag-sync in na ba kaagad sa'yo na, oh my God, ako si Mutchani Kapampangan 2025. Kasi ang hirap makuha ang crown na yan. Like, you need to compete muna dun sa local
Local
government unit. Tapos, magko-compete ka ng So, kumbaga, kailangan winning streak.
Yes.
So, kinabukasan ba, nag-sync in ka agad sa'yo?
Not at all. Not at all, sir. Kasi, especially, social media. Syempre, putok yung mga
Yes.
notifications. Actually, that night, nung nanalo, parang nakatulog na ako ng 6 a.m.
Yes.
Because hindi nga ako makapaniwala. It's like you're on cloud 9.
Yes.
Tapos the next day, we had mocha.
Oo.
So, knowing na makikita ko pa yung girls,
Yes.
yung top 5, parang, to me, it was like a normal, parang may ganap lang kami ng MNK. So, it wasn't sinking in pa. Pero a few days after, I think nung nag-church kami, the first Sunday after ng coronation, dun siya nag-sink in.
Doon ka na naiyak talaga.
Yes, doon ko na
Kasi ang
nalabas
hirap kasi ng
lahat.
sacrifice. Kala mo talaga, sumali ako ng beauty pageant. Hindi. Kasi makikita mo yung sacrifices ng girls eh. Like, may mga friends ako na sumali din sa MNK before na kulang na lang umiyak sila.
Yes,
Kasi sobrang hirap.
super.
So, ngayon, how are you planning dito sa reign mo this year? Kasi meron kang isang taon eh. Kumbaga, ano yung iniisip mo na paano ba yung reign ng isang Allison Hetland na Mutchani Kapampangan 2025? Meron ka na ba mga naiisip na advocacies? Meron ka na bang naiisip na gustong, kumbaga, gawin?
Yeah. So, yun nga. I wanna use this year ng MNK to strengthen my advocacy. And since I recently passed, I'm a registered nurse
Yes, congratulations.
now.
Pero
Thank
baka
you.
naman natin, hindi lang beauty queen. Nurse
Thank you
pa.
po.
Kaya abot niya yung dextrose.
Yun. I want to incorporate, kasi I've been working with children.
Yes.
And I want to incorporate yung importance ng healthcare. I feel like it's often overlooked.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah, so gusto kong ipaano na parang health is wealth talaga. And hopefully, I get to work with different organizations na makakatulong po. Kung meron.
Yes. Of course kasi, yung advocacy niya, hindi lang siya, kumbaga, inisip lang niya na, okay, mommy, trainer, eto na ang advocacy ko. Kasi
No.
nurse siya eh. So
At saka,
technically, close sa heart niya yung
it
advocacy.
started po actually kasi I was a Hume student nung grade 12 ako. And para siyang OJT sa orphanage in Mabalacat. Doon yan ni Maria.
Okay,
And
I know
doon
that.
ko napansin na parang at that time, wala pa akong plan mag-nurse or anything. Tapos nag-graduate ako. Basically, yun yung din sa akin, nag-inspire to get into healthcare. Para one day, I could hopefully give back to the community as well.
So, ayan.
yun.
We are so very happy na nakita natin kung paano ba yung naging journey ni Allison. Kasi hindi naging madali eh. Like yung 2 times ka nag-MNA,
Yes.
tapos naghintay ka ng 1 taon, tapos ito dumating na yung punto na ito na yung corona nasa iyo na.
Yes.
Sa lahat po ng naghihintay, meron bang plano si Allison Hetland na mag-represent sa national stage?
It's definitely something
Yeah.
I want to get into in the future. So, let's see where the wind takes us. But for now, I'll enjoy my Mutchani
Yeah.
Kapampangan reign. Use it as much as I can for the good.
Mm.
And ayun.
Kaya sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, may bala pa po ang Pampanga. Huwag kayong ano dyan. Okay? Kasi ngayon, pag sinasabi, kasi may sash factor ang Pampanga eh. May sash factor kasi na tinatawag na pag Pampanga ka, maganda ka, performer, ganyan.
Yes, laging
I'm very
inaabangan.
excited to see you na mag-Miss Universe Philippines.
Ay, thank you
Kasi
po.
I wanted to, kasi ang tangkad, statuesque. Kung sinasabi ko po sa inyo, hindi po kami nagbibiro matangkad talaga siya sa personal. Like, nagbuka po kami mga grade school dito sa CLTV. And sobrang grabe yung dating niya. Pagdating pa lang sa office kanina, parang, okay, beauty queen yon.
Ay,
Parang
thank you po.
ganon.
Thank you. But you know what, sir? My height used to be my insecurity.
Seriously?
As in. Kasi syempre, I grew up here and it often felt like I was, the odd one out.
Yeah.
Kasi ang tangkad ko, I was always last sa lines.
Yeah.
Syempre, di ba, pag grade school ka, pumipila pa kayo.
Find
Lagi
your
akong
height.
nasa huli. Tapos lagi akong mas matangkad sa mga lalaki, sa mga, yung ganong factor, sir. So, I remember before, lagi pa akong nagsaslouch. Just so I could feel like I fit in. Parang ganon. But then, yun, lagi akong kinokorrect ng mom ko. Sabi niya, hindi, maganda
You
ka.
were born to
ganyan."
stand out.
Yes. so, ayun.
Sabi ko, ang
I
daming
embraced
nananalangin na maging matangkad
Oo
Kasi
nga.
ang hirap kumbaga, yung iba naggagamot pa yung mga iniinom nila para tumangkad. Ako, wag ka na maghumuli na lumiit ka kasi okay na yung height mo na yan. Iba yung
Thank
dating mo
you.
talaga.
Thank you,
like,
sir.
nung tinanong nila ako, sino ba yung nakikita mo na, sabi dapat yun ng baroging MNK yado. Yakoy Angeles talaga.
Ay.
Kasi, tinitinaw ko isa-isa eh. Sabi ko, modelesque, statuesque, sabi ko, kung ano talaga yung hinahanap mo sa isang beauty queen. Alam mo yung nung gabing yon, corona na lang yung wala. Kaya sabi ko, nanalo ka, deserve.
Thank you po.
And I'm
Thank
very
you.
happy na finally nakilala na kita personally. Kasi
Thank you.
kahit na
Ako
nandun kami,
din.
sobrang busy kasi kayo eh. Nung nakoronahan na siya, wala na, nag-akyatan na yung mga tao
True.
sa stage. So ngayon, just to end this, kasi lagi kong tinatanong sa mga guests ko sa Spotlight, ano yung mensahe mo sa future Alison Hetland? Siguro 5 years from now. Anong mensahe mo sa sarili mo?
5 years from now, 29 na ako nun, sir.
Ako mga 26 na ako nun. Okay.
5 years from now, I hope you're happier. I hope you're happier. I hope you've settled down. And I hope you've reached everything you want to reach. And sana nabigyan mo na ng bahay ang mama mo.
Sabi ni Mami, correct? Hindi, sige, just to end this. Ano yung mensahe mo sa mga aspiring beauty queens? Na parang feeling nila, ay hindi ako mananalo. Kasi kahit sumali ako, di mo na ako mananalo. Na ikaw, na-experience mo yan first time, hindi ka nanalo, pero eto tuloy-tuloy.
Yes. So, ang message ko lang sa inyo is, because this is from experience, when you join a beauty pageant, you have to be 100% in. Hindi pwedeng half-hearted ka. Because that's what happened to me. The first time I joined, I was half-hearted and hindi siya nagbunga. So the second time around, kinausap ko yung sarili ko. Sabi ko, you have to be in it, you have to work for it, and commit to it. So yun ang masasabi ko sa inyo. If you want something, you have to be in it 100%. Yun lang. And do your best. Do your best and God will do the rest talaga.
Message mo kay Mami mo na forever and always na nagsusuporta.
Mommy! Umiiyak siya.
Naiyak siya.
Hindi, Mommy. Thank you so much for... Dahil sa'yo, kaya ako napunta sa industry na to. It was her dream talaga, her childhood dream. And pinasa niya sa akin. And I'm happy to catch that dream for you, Ma. And I love you so much. Thank you for all the support and love. And ayun, sana walang
Naiyak
iiyak.
na si Mami.
Sana magbunga lahat ng ginagawa natin ngayon. I love you, Ma.
Yan, nagbunga na. Magbubunga pa.
Yes.
Okay, claiming it. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin Miss Allison Hetland ng ating Mutchani Kapampangan 2025. Thank you so much, Allison.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for having me. So happy.
Okay, thank you.